Kisses.
Well, that was a big one.
Let me put your hand inside the puppet.
Oh.
Alright, you want me to be daddy, you be mommy?
Yeah.
Put your hand. See where I'm going to put in my hand? And the puppet.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. My
Mm.
toupee. Oh, be hell toupee. Hi. My toupee. Hi, Mommy.
Aw, you kissing?
Kisses.
Kisses.
Oh, that's so nice.
Here.
Oh, Mommy.
Here, put your hand in there.
No, do.
Okay, you do mommy, and
No,
Jenny, you do mommy, and let Ron do daddy.
So just like her when you do that puppet.
Hello.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Where is your purse?
My purse is in the...
I like your butterfly hair clip.
Oh, thank you very much.
Let's kiss Nicky.
Okay.
Where's Nicky?
I'm right here over there.
Come here, Nicky. We want to kiss you.
Too much. Too much, everyone. This daddy.
Now just mommy. There, yay!
Love you.
I love you too, Nicky.
Yep.
Look at me.
Cause you're pretty.
I love you.
Look at the audience. Now I'll
over
look
there?
at the floor. Now
What's
I'll
on
look at the crazy boy.
These guys scared me.
Did we scare you?
Yeah.
Are you afraid that I might bite you with my teeth?
No. That's too fast.
Okay,
That's
do that.
too fast.
All right. This guy's smiling.
Hey guys.
Very nice, me, Street.
Guys.
Hi.
Guys.
What?
What?
Why are you guys crazy?
What?
Why are you guys crazy?
Why are we crazy? Because all puppets are crazy.
Hey, Bubba, first take a bath.
Looks like I'm dirty.
Take a bath.
Take
Why?
a bath.
Am I dirty?
Yeah, then you take a bath and Daddy take a bath.
Okay.
Everywhere.
Damn, I won't
Everyone.
be dirty.
Wash. You place, and clothes.
Okay, Nikki, put your hand out like a shower head. Okay, now make the water come out.
Make the water noise.
Shh. Oh, wash my hair. Shh.
Mommy takes quick, efficient baths. Daddy takes long, luxurious baths.
Yes, that's the truth.
Oh, don't bite me, kids.
Oh, sorry.
Don't bite me.
Can I bite you,
Kids.
little?
No.
Kid.
Bite me a bit. Bite
These teeth
little.
are not real.
Tiny bit.
Little tiny
These
bites
teeth are
like
not
that.
real.
Yeah.
No, his teeth are soft.
Even though my mouth is huge.
Let me touch you guys. Let me touch your mouth. It's beautiful. Then
Is it soft?
it's fluffy.
Fluffy.
It is fluffy.
Look.
Hey guys, what?
Whoa.
What? Too loud.
I'm Johnny Weissmiller. Whoa.
You have to be quiet.
Whoa, sorry.
Mommy.
Is that better?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Why are you playing crazy?
I am not crazy. I am clean. I
Crazy.
take a shower now.
That's
Then
how
you
it goes.
Yeah.
I dirty, then I'm going to take a shower. And now then, I'm going to take a shower.
Okay.
Okay. That's for big boys.
Are you clean?
Lexi?
Yeah, I am.
Yay. Are you wet?
I'm not. Are you clean?
Hey, put on your Iron Man clothes.
Oh.
Clang, clang, clang. He is Iron Man. You are Iron Man. You've got great big fire hands. Dun, 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 dun. singing. Show us your fire hand.
I did.
Okay, take off your Iron Man clothes. Chung, cling,
And
oh,
my Nicky.
it's
What about your mask?
Nicky.
Hey, where's that thing you got, Grandma? That
Take it off.
thingy.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Hi, Nicky. Hi,
And
Nicky.
Nicky.
I see a pinch on the couch. A robot pinch.
You robot pinchy?
Nicky, do this robot pinch.
What?
What can you pick up with it? Can you pick up a car? Let's see.
Squeeze it hard. Squeeze it. There you go.
Robot
You want to
pinch.
try picking something
I'd
up?
pick up a toy over there on the.
Here. Here's something.
He's got a car there.
Powerful enough to lift a
Pick up the little Ford
No,
Bronco.
he
Sure,
stopped
Bronco.
me.
Oh, okay. How about pick up the car?
Squeeze it.
Try the car?
You gotta
No,
squeeze it.
that car is too big.
Too big? Try that.
Yeah.
Try that. You can do it.
Let's see. Happened to my picture.
You gotta let it
Tiny.
let it go. Squeeze it. Squeeze